release rigid seat pan for wheelchairs. Let's go through some of the features. Large grab and go release paddles, which are easy to locate and operate. Nylon saddles protect the wheelchair frame from surface damage. The seat pan may be upgraded to include utility rails. A wide range of standard sizes are available from 12 by 12 inch to 20 by 20 inch and incorporate 1.5 inches of width adjustability for accurate and easy attachment to in-between wheelchair frame sizes. The grab and go function is effortless. Just lift the paddles on each side of the seat pan and continue to lift the seat pan to remove. They will auto lock into position when reinstalling. Now we bring utility rails to manual wheelchairs for easy installation and positioning of hip guides, armrests and hip belts. Like all Dreamline wheelchair seating products, the quick release seat pan has passed independent crash testing for forward-facing travel in motor vehicles. Dreamline quick release seat pans are a great way to divide the lifting weight yet keep the seating well positioned during compact storage. Visit us to see more at rollerpal.co.nz.